today we're going to do Blueberry Mojitos. Hello, and thank you all for joining us again for What's in Store Fridays. I'm Mark Cockrell with the Culture and Heritage Museum, and the point of the show is to show you what we have in our online store and how you can use the items that we sell. And we are featuring Sallie's Great Blueberry Syrup. We've got Blueberry-Lavender syrup. And we're going to be making Blueberry Mojitos. And then I just brought this to show you what we have is a peach and mint syrup that makes great sweet tea. But also with these two, you also get this book, Mixology Made Simple. It has great recipes in it to make all different kinds of cocktails, some sweet teas, sorbets. We sell these two with the book on our online store, and we'll get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want 2 ounces of Sallie syrup. You add 6 mint leaves. Wash the leaves really good, but just put your 6 leaves in there. And what you want to do is you take a wooden spoon or a muddler, and the idea is to just muddle this up. You want to crush up the mint leaves along with the syrup, and that aromatic smell just releases. So once you get that stirred up, you want to add 2 ounces of rum. And you want 3/4 of an ounce of lime, but I just cut the lime in half and I'm just going to squeeze it in there. And all these smells are smelling so good, the limes with the mint and the blueberry. Alright, so you've got that in there. Once you've got that in there, you want to put in ice. Just load it up with ice. Once you have that, top it off with seltzer. Doesn't that look good? It's a nice refreshing drink. You can either use lime slices or lemon slices. A couple blueberries. A straw, and you are good to go for a blueberry mojito made with Sallie's Greatest Syrup, which we sell in the online store. We hope you will visit us at the online store. For a quick, easy vase to tie in with your blueberry mojitos, what you do is take a cylinder glass vase, 2 rubber bands, and your leftover straw. Take the 2 rubber bands, put them around here, and all you do is put in your extra straws and just go all the way around. And this is just the cheapest, but it's a really fun vase you can make at home. And it just gives a little extra something for your little get-together. You can take a ribbon. You want to hide your rubber band, so either raffia, some kind of ribbon. I like to use organic stuff, so that's why we use the Carolina jasmine. We just used it as a ribbon, and we just tied it around the outside. But that completes it. Just drop in some leaves or some flowers and you're good to go. It makes a really easy party arrangement. Thank you all for joining us, and we do hope you'll visit our online store. Thanks again. We'll see you next time when we're making slathering sauce with meatballs.